Alright, so this week we talked about functions. I actually really liked this week's assignment. Number one, because it built off of everything that we've learned so far in the class. We had to use some of the other things that we learned, and I thought that was really great because for me, I learn the best when I practice something over and over again. Also, as far as the functions, I really like that because it can save you time. If, once we start writing really long code, we can write a certain function and invoke that function several times in the same file without having to rewrite it over and over. So it's really helpful when you get into doing longer things, I think. The one thing that I found most difficult this week was coming up with new problems to write the code for, since it's the last week of class and we've had to come up with everything for each one of our assignments, for the personal, the wacky, and the industry. It's kind of hard to keep coming up with something different and writing something new every week. So I just kind of struggled with that as far as being able to incorporate everything that we needed to, and still make sure that I use something different than I had the previous weeks. So my example for this week would be where at work we use the same documents over and over again, such as like a buyer's order or a disbursement sheet or a tracker where we track all of our calls. We make little tick marks for each one of the calls that we make. So we make one master copy and we save it on the computer, and then anytime we need more copies of it, we can use that master copy and make copies or edit it if we need to. But we just have that